still take these investments. The massive, I don't set the policies, we have to implement them, and there is a cost to that.
But whether the increases can be explained away, price rises themselves are here to stay.
So, 2 power companies in 34 hours, more to come?
I'm afraid they hunt in packs. There are 6 big energy companies. 3 of them have told us that they are putting their prices up, just as the first frosts start to hit in parts of the country. And of the others who have not announced price increases, one of them admitted to me privately today they are going to have to do it at some point in the very near future. And they believe they just
Tilly,
don't have a choice. Even within
where's
the
Daddy?
really wants them to look at it, although they know
Is Daddy out there?
to